If you're chasing podiums or just want to ride like you are, the 2026 Kawasaki KX450 might be your new best friend. Lighter, faster, and smarter than ever, Kawasaki isn't holding back this year. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you straight-up insights on the latest rides that matter. Design. The 2026 KX450 carries that aggressive Kawasaki DNA, sharp lines, minimal bodywork, and that signature lime green look. But dig deeper and you'll notice a redesigned frame and slimmer ergonomics, making it easier to move around on the bike during hard cornering or technical sections. It's all about control, and Kawasaki clearly listened to rider feedback. Performance. At the heart of the new KX450 is a revised 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. It's smoother, but still packs a serious punch. Whether you're hitting jumps or carving berms, the throttle response is crisp, and the power delivery feels broader across the rev range. Paired with a new exhaust setup and lighter chassis, the whole package feels more responsive, especially in low-speed technical zones. Features and technology. Now here's where things get really interesting. The 2026 model brings in Kawasaki's new smartphone connectivity. Through the Radiology app, you can adjust engine mapping, track ride stats, and even log lap times. The updated suspension setup is fully adjustable, front and rear, giving riders the tools to fine-tune for different tracks and conditions. And yes, electric start and launch control are still standard. Conclusion. The 2026 KX450 isn't just an update, it's a serious evolution. Whether you're a seasoned racer or weekend warrior, this bike offers the performance and precision to push your limits. What do you think of the changes? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear from real riders. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense takes on the bikes that matter. Ride hard, and we'll see you in the next one.